Hello crypto enthusiasts, I'm Daniel and you're welcome to the channel. In today's video I'm going to be talking about the recent airdrop on the Satoshi app, which is the Glyph Exchange Airdrop, alright, called the OG Token. Information about this airdrop was posted on the Satoshi app and on the Satoshi official Twitter page. Now if you come over here, you're going to see information about this very airdrop. So if I click on this right now, you're going to see the news right here, which says 500 OG tokens airdrop is now live. We are thrilled to announce that the Satoshi app, in an exclusive partnership with Glyph Exchange, has officially launched the OG Token Airdrop. Okay, this is a unique opportunity for users to be part of something groundbreaking in the world of Bitcoin, DeFi, and inscription-fi. So this is the airdrop details right here. The tokens that will be airdrop is about 500,000 OG tokens. So the start date is April 8th and the end date is May 8th, 2024. Okay, so I'm just it's as at the time of creating this video, it's still early, so hop in right now while you have the chance. Now this airdrop is vested for over 6 months, with the first distribution occurring 30 days after the token generation events. TGE actually stands for token generation events. Alright, so and as you can see here, the final words is start claiming your OG tokens now. If you also come over to the Twitter page, let me just head back and click that back button right now, and then click on this little Twitter icon right here. That is how you access their Twitter page, okay, their X page. So if I just click on that right now and then click on select OpenEX X, this is automatically going to redirect us to the Satoshi app Twitter page. And as you can see right here, this is also information about this particular airdrop. If I click on this which says Glyph Exchange, you're going to see that this is a recently launched exchange. Okay, it's something that is new to the market, but they are dropping the token, and they have decided that they would drop some of these tokens on the Satoshi app, and that's because they find this very app, which is the Satoshi app, a quality one. That's why they decided to drop this token to the Satoshi users. So how do you really get some part of this airdrop? It's very simple. Once you log into the Satoshi app, if you're a new user and you just recently signed up for the Satoshi app, all you have to do is to simply click on projects, and the moment you do, you get to see the airdrop right here which says Glyph. Then go ahead and click on the arrow at the bottom right hand corner of the airdrop, and then you get to see a participate in airdrop button at the top right hand corner of your screen. Just go ahead and click on that, and automatically you would begin to participate in this airdrop. Make sure that once this airdrop start running, you do not press or click on the exit airdrop. As you can see, successfully participated in airdrop. Participating in this airdrop will take effect in the next round of airdrops in the system. Okay, the next round of airdrops is expected in 19 minutes. Okay, so this is like how this airdrop works. It happens with rounds, and the OEX is about 59 minutes, so each of them have rounds. Okay, so make sure you do not click the exit airdrop, or else you'll be moved out of the airdrop. As you can see, the exit airdrop button there is also a confirmation that you are now airdropping, and if we head back right now, you see that you are now airdropping or part of this airdrop. So these are the former airdrops we have been mining. First one right here is the OEX airdrop. The second is the BWP points, which is the Big Get Wallet airdrop, and the last one is the Glyph Exchange, which is the one we just hopped into right now. So this is it, guys. This is the update I want to bring to your notice today. If you want to participate in this airdrop, it's really simple, guys. All you have to do is to sign up for the Satoshi app. Sign up, register with your email and password, perform the KYC verification, which is the human verification, and once you are done, you begin to participate in this very airdrop. Okay, in case you're wondering how this airdrop will be distributed among participants when it's time, I believe information on that will be well communicated by the Satoshi core team and the core team of those distributing these airdrops. So that will be it for this very video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a like, drop a beautiful comment, or drop a question, and I'll be there to respond to you as soon as I can. Also share this video so that interested parties will be able to see it. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss out whenever I drop videos like this. If you also want to stay even more updated, then follow our small social media handle using the links in the description. I really appreciate it if you do. I'm your crypto guide, Daniel Patrick, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.